Modern Indoor Plants Decoration Ideas 2023. Welcome to my channel. Looking to breathe new life into your indoor space? You've come to the right place. In this video, we bring you the trendiest and most captivating indoor plant decoration ideas for 2023. Create a lush oasis right in the heart of your home with these stylish and contemporary concepts. Discover how to infuse nature's beauty into your living space with our carefully curated selection of modern indoor plants. From low-maintenance greenery to eye-catching statement pieces, we've got ideas to suit every taste and lifestyle. In this video, you'll learn vertical gardens. Unleash your creativity with stunning vertical plant arrangements that add a touch of elegance to any wall. Potted jungle. Embrace the jungle vibes with a mix of different plant species, creating a harmonious and visually captivating indoor garden. Minimalist planters. Explore the beauty of simplicity by incorporating modern, sleek planters that effortlessly complement any interior design. Biophilic design. Dive into the world of biophilic interior design, creating spaces that foster a strong connection with nature for enhanced well-being. Sustainable planters. Embrace eco-friendly practices with upcycled and sustainable planters that not only look fantastic, but also contribute to a greener planet. Plant shelves and nooks. Maximize space and creativity with chic plant shelves and cozy nooks, making plants an integral part of your home decor. Smart plant tech. Explore the latest in plant care technology, from automated watering systems to smart sensors that keep your indoor jungle thriving. Monochrome plant palettes. Experience the beauty of monochromatic plant arrangements, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. Botanical art installations. Merge art and nature with stunning botanical installations that become the centerpiece of your living space. Vintage revival. Bring back the charm of retro plant aesthetics, blending old-school planters and vintage decor with a modern twist. Feng Shui plants. Learn how to use indoor plants to enhance positive energy flow and create a harmonious atmosphere in your home. Hanging planters. Elevate your indoor plant game by hanging lush greenery in unique and eye-catching ways. Indoor trees. Bring the outdoors inside with small, manageable indoor trees that add a sense of grandeur and elegance. Terrariums and miniature gardens. Dive into the world of miniature landscapes, creating magical terrariums and tiny gardens that make a big impact. Plant art and sculptures. Combine art and nature with plant-based artwork and sculptures that redefine indoor decor. Air purifying plants. Discover the health benefits of air purifying plants, enhancing both your well-being and living space. Our goal is to provide you with endless ideas and inspiration to help you craft your indoor plant sanctuary. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest trends and tips. Let's green up your living space together. Get ready to embark on a journey of inspiration and creativity as we delve into the world of modern indoor plant decoration ideas. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our exciting upcoming content. Let's green up your home together.